Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to use Shopify for B2B and wholesale selling. So using Shopify for B2B and wholesaling is possible even without Shopify Plus, though more advanced features are locked with it. So you can start by creating a separate wholesale collection with custom pricing using a discount code or a duplicating product with a different price for wholesale customers. To restrict access, use a password protected page or install a wholesale app like Wholesale Club or B2B free to automate pricing. Minimum orders or a tied discount. You can also tag B2B customers and offer them exclusive product and price for the custom segmentation. For more robust B2B features like net payment schemes, custom catalog, or personalized pricing by customers group, Shopify Plus provide a full B2B on Shopify suite, but even more regular plan. Combining customers collection apps and customers tagging gives you enough flexibility to run a basic wholesale operation smoothly. And that's it.